With so many property management products on the market, it's hard to know which one is the ideal option for you. However, property owners and managers must do their due diligence and research each one. Today, you'll learn more about Knox CRM, including the price, features available, and why you might choose it. Then, you'll discover a few alternatives to help you get a well-rounded picture of what's available. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I am a property management expert with DoorLoop, here to help you out. Now, quick disclaimer that I do work for DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but in this video, we'll be reviewing Knox CRM so you can decide if it's right for you. So starting off, what is Knox CRM? Knox CRM is a property management software primarily used for multifamily managers, operational executives, IT teams, and many others. Here are some of Knox CRM's features. Performance management platform with tools. Knox CRM provides reporting and analytics that'll simplify your needs because it's a performance management platform. Property managers and leasing teams can achieve better outcomes. Multiple weekly reports and a few other features. Site teams, regional managers, and leasing teams will love the auto response in creating multiple weekly reports. The system records incoming calls, and there are plenty of automation integration and data transparency tools. Knock Now and Knock Bot for leasing teams. Site teams will like the AI chat feature. You'll attract high-quality leads and bring pre-qualified prospects right to your door. Plus, the Knock Now feature lets prospects self-schedule tours from the app or website, which increases volume without more expenses. This is excellent for multifamily managers and leasing agents. So you get all those features, but what is Knox CRM's pricing like? Unfortunately, their pricing isn't public, so you must request an online quote and schedule a free demo to learn more about it. But now that we've gone over Knox CRM, I want to offer 3 alternatives, starting with DoorLoop. DoorLoop is an excellent property management product because it has all the tools you need to improve occupancy rates. Plus, customer support is excellent. Some of DoorLoop's features include a tenant portal, collect rent online, accounting tools, great communication tools, a dedicated owner portal, and so many more features. And the best part is the pricing is transparent. It's only $49 per month for up to 20 units, so go ahead and click the link below or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free demo. Our second option is Inigo. Inigo has a free plan, which is great if you got a small portfolio or a tight budget. Their features include a tenant portal, maintenance management, and excellent accounting tools. The pricing plan starts at no payment required. However, you will pay a 2.75% for all card charges and $2 for ACH payments. Likewise, background checks cost $30 to $35. And our third option is Landlord Studio. Landlord Studio's features include reporting and expense tracking, collecting rent online, basic maintenance management, and tenant screening and applications. As far as their pricing, they do have a free plan, and the pro version is $12 per month billed annually. The price rises based on how many units you have. Although Knox CRM could be a great option, DoorLoop could be a better option. You'll know how much you pay before you do anything, and you'll get access to an accounting suite, maintenance order management systems, and much more. So go ahead and click the link below or go to doorloop.com/YouTube to get a free DoorLoop demo, and you'll get a discount on your plan for coming from this video. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for property management tips, and I'll see you in the next one.